Hello class 5, welcome to the online video class. Today I am going to start with a new chapter from your English grammar, and the name of the chapter is sentence. So please take out your copy and follow the class. So what is called a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which completes one meaning, which is having one meaning. Okay. So without the meaning, it should not be called as sentence. Suppose like if I write, I school go to. I school go to. How many words are there? How many, that means how many words you can see? Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 words we can see. Okay, so that means all the words are all the words making a complete sense. What is the meaning of that? I school go to. Is it having any meaning? No, it does not have any meaning. So what should we write? If I write I go to school. Okay, if I write I go to school, see, all the words are there, but I have placed the word in such a manner that that means altogether the words should make a complete sense. Okay, so it is called a sentence, and this is not a sentence. So I, see, I is also here, go, this word is also here, to is also here, school is also here. So 4 words same to same are here, but these words are placed in different manner. Okay, so it is having a complete sense. I go to school, that is having a meaning, so it should called as a sentence. And a sentence must have, after completing the sentence, we must put the full stop. Okay, so this is called the sentence, and this one is not a sentence. Now students, at first we will do that ensemble. Ensemble means here you have to make you have to place these words in a proper place so that it must have a meaning. Okay, that is called ensemble. These are all in jumbled order, and you have to make it in a ensemble. You have to make the word, that means words ensemble. Okay, you have to make the words into a complete sense. So head Mr. Prasad is the of institution. What is the meaning of that? The same, the words are here, but these words cannot make it into a complete sense. Okay, that means a sentence. So we must make it. How? First, Mr. Prasad. At the first, when we are writing in assertive sentence, that means assertive sentence. What is assertive sentence? I will come after that. But the thing is that when we are stating a sentence, at that time we should write the subject the first. Okay, so here Mr. Prasad is the subject. That means who is doing the sentence, who is doing the work here. Okay, so Mr. Prasad is the head of the institution. Okay, so it means that Mr. Prasad is the head of the institution, and after that I have put one full stop. So that means it does have a complete meaning. It is a sentence. So ensemble, I am just showing you that it can come to you, it can come as your question, okay, in the exam. So you will practice that, and you will make the words into proper sentence. Okay. Now, rises sun east the in. It's very easy. Sun is the subject because it is doing the action. So here sun rises in the east. First, here we have put one the because before sun we must write the. The sun rises in the east. Then full stop. Then that means it does have a complete meaning. Is reading habit good is. That means reading is I have forgotten to put a. Reading is a good, okay, then habit. Reading is a good habit, then full stop. Okay, so I have just shown you that how you will do this unjumbles. It's a very easy process and it may come in your exam. So I have just given this examples. Okay, so right now we are going to start with the what kind of the sentences we have. So now we are going to discuss about the kinds of sentences. Okay, so kinds of sentences. In kinds of sentences we have 4 kinds. Generally we have 4 kinds. What are these? Number 1, assertive sentence. So students, we have first assertive sentence, then imperative sentence, then interrogative sentence, exclamatory. Mainly these 4 parts of kinds of sentences we are having, but sometimes we can see that optative sentences are also there. Generally these optative sentences we can find in imperative sentence, but here we can write that we have 5 kinds of sentences. Okay, so assertive sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and the last one, that is optative sentence.